Now, is it possible to change your YouTube channel name? The answer is yes. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can easily change your YouTube name. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. As usual, I'm going to do it in two locations. One is through my computer, another one through my mobile phone. I'm going to start with my computer first. Okay, so first of all, log into youtube.com. Then you go to top right. You can see your image here. Click on it. Go all the way to YouTube Studio. Click on it. Next, you go to customization, and there are few channel customization here. You can add a video spotlight, etc. But I want to go to basic info. So branding is where you put the image and things like that. So we go to basic info, and you can see here you can change your name. Now you can only change your name twice in 14 days, so do not go crazy by changing your name all the time. And at the same time, you can change your handle here as well. So you change the name here. So alright, so that's how you can change your name using YouTube Studio in your computer. So let's jump into my mobile right now. Alright, so now I'm at my phone. Click on YouTube Studio. So you should have the YouTube Studio app installed in your phone. Just click on YouTube Studio. Okay, go to top right, click on yourself, and then it's very easy compared when in computer. All you have to do is just click on the pen icon beside your name, and you can edit your name accordingly, and also your handle accordingly, and your description if you want to. So this is how you can do it with your phone. Hope that is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do subscribe to this channel, and I see you next time. Goodbye.